guys, I got the rest of the Christmas ornaments crocheted today. I got the vlog edited. It's rendering right now. It's kind of late in the day, but I got that done. I got the Christmas food picked up. I still have to get the Christmas gift because the place I was going to get the gift card at was closed today. I had one of my sisters, I have two sisters, and one of her daughters asked me about a certain kind of hat. They live in Iowa. It's cold there. So I'm going to try a pattern tonight, give myself a break from the amigurumi for a hot minute. I'm not going to stop making them. Don't get all excited because I like making them. But I do have Christmas gifts I want to work on, and that's one of them. So I am going to take a little bit of a break and see if the pattern I found works and or if I have to alter it in any way. We'll see. I have to do some dishes. I did do the laundry, but I've got to get it out of the dryer. I mean, you know, all the standard stuff. I also managed last week to film 2 film clips in the car, probably talking about holiday shopping or something. But I don't know, because all I see is my face and my lips moving, but there is no sound. How did I manage that? I have no idea. That's a first. So anyway, we're going to let this render and then get it uploaded really quick and then go downstairs and do a few chores. And by then, Mister should be off of work. And yeah, I think that's it for the minute. I will try to remember to put the little ornament I found the pattern for in the video description. There was also a gnome. I'm not sure I'm going to get to make the gnome this year, but there is a cute little gnome pattern that's also an ornament. So I will see what I can do about remembering to put the link down below. If I forget, remind me, okay? All right, let's get this done. I'll be back. I don't think I've vlogged before now, and it's after 5 p.m. sometime. I don't know. Husband's not off work yet, so it's not 6. There's another piece of glass. How I can see that in the dark, I have no idea. Oh, there's another one. Garbage man must have broken something when they were picking up the trash the other day. I keep finding glass on the ground. Anyway, I babysat for a few hours today, and I also got some crochet requests done for my sister in Iowa. Got that box taped up and ready to go. Also sending a box of stuff I'm purging to my friend Leslie McGrath. I'm pretty sure she can make some junk journals out of at least some of what's in the box. So that's taped up and ready to go. I'll mail both of them on Friday. Tomorrow I'm babysitting again. In the meantime, I have one more Christmas gift request to make. So I am gonna work on that tonight. Husband's gonna go to the gym. He wanted to know if I wanted to go with him. Honestly, I don't think I do, but that's not a surprise to anybody who knows me. I might just stay home in the peace and quiet and start on my next crochet project, aka Christmas gift request. So yeah, tomorrow's another babysitting day. I do want to go to Hobby Lobby. I may just take Junior with me. He is a good little shopper, and I need DK weight dark brown yarn. It's that and white, the 2 colors I run out of first. And I know most of this clip is dark, I'm sorry. Anyway, so I'd like 1 or 2 regular size skeins of dark brown, and via some online searching, Hobby Lobby's probably the only shop that's got it. So, plus some of the, I guess their yarn's on sale right now. So, he and I may go do that in the morning. More glass. I don't. They must have broken a bottle or something. I don't know. It's bizarre. Probably lucky nobody's popped a tire. Anyway. All right. It is cold outside. So cold. All right. That's it for the minute. Just about time for my bone broth. All right. I'll be back. And maybe something with vegetables in it, because I probably should have that. All right, I'll be back. Little man and I are walking over to get the mail. It is a very slight drizzle, not raining too hard. I just saw another piece of glass to pick up on the way back to the house. Anyway, so we're gonna go get the mail. On a little bit of a brisk walk. And I did start on my last Christmas gift. And last night I got the body of the amigurumi request done. And I'm guessing by Saturday it'll be finished. The other 2 boxes I have will go out in the mail tomorrow. I've got to finish up writing the Christmas letter with Bob's help and get that photocopies of that done tomorrow. And then this weekend, besides finishing the Christmas gift and starting fun projects, we need to send out our Christmas cards because we haven't done that yet. We usually do it Thanksgiving weekend and we haven't done that yet. So anyway, we're going to check the mail. I'll be back. Guys. All right. So we mailed off a bunch of Christmas packages. I got some stamps for Christmas cards. Picked up a couple more boxes because now I'm out of boxes again. And we have to go make some copies of this year's Christmas letter. And I might stop by Joann's because there is one thing I kind of want. I don't really need, but we'll see. Anyway, other than that, I'm going to be finishing my last Christmas gift today and then family dinner night tonight with the kids. And then this weekend is just chilling and relaxing and finishing up Christmas errands. So not mad about that at all. All right, I'll be back. I have not vlogged yet because we've just been busy, to be honest, doing last minute Christmas errands, gift shopping. We haven't even started wrapping yet, so that's got to happen soon, probably starting tomorrow and Monday. Once we got home, I had one more Christmas DIY to do. Thank you, son-in-law. But I did get it done for him, so it's all done. And let's see. We're working on doing some dishes and stuff from family dinner night last night. And we've gotten a couple of Amazon deliveries of Christmas gifts, but there should be a whole heck of a lot more coming, so we'll see. Alrighty, that's it for the minute. I'm gonna go try and relax and sit down and make a snowman and just chill for a little bit, and I'll be back. Hey guys, it is after 11 o'clock at night, and I almost forgot to close the vlog again. No big surprise. We got the unexpected DIY Christmas project for son-in-law done, and that is literally in the bag. I also got another amigurumi done, a snowman. I will put a picture here of the one that I made and link the website that I found the pattern. It is a free pattern, and she does have some videos on her YouTube channel. Real cute and very easy pattern. So that was fun to make. Tomorrow is wrapping Christmas gifts. But that's for next week's vlog. So anyway, it's been fun as usual, trying to squeeze being creative into a crazy busy life, you know, watching the grandson and everything. Husband over there helps out when he can. We watched a couple of Christmas movies. Well, one was, they're both questionable Christmas movies, I think. Red One is definitely Christmas because it's about Santa Claus.
It's about Santa Claus.
It was cute, I guess. And then there was another one that was sort of a terrorist movie, but it was set at Christmas time.
At a
airport. LAX. Carry On, I think was the name.
On.
Yeah. Anyway, they were both all right. We just sat here and watched them while I finished the snowman, and it was all good. So I think we're mostly ready for Christmas. I don't know about you guys, mostly. I have a couple more projects for myself I'd like to do over the holiday. Am I going to have time? Yeah, who knows? We'll see. Anyway, that's it for this week. I hope it gives you some ideas of what you can do and squeezing in being creative into your schedule. If I can do it, you certainly can. And yeah, go out and have a great week. Have a great holiday season. We'll see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. See you later. Bye, guys.